Hello students, good morning. In the last session we have done logarithmic differentiation, some first two problems from the exercise. Today I am going to continue the same topic. Every problem you should try to solve by applying the logarithmic method as well as by applying the u power v form. Okay, let us start the remaining questions. Question number 3 and question number 4. This question and this question we have done. Next we should go for the question number 3. Clear? Here f of x power g of x form I have. First step, let us consider y is equal to log x whole power cos x. In the first step, I will solve by applying the log on both the sides. So taking log on both the side, taking log on both the side, then we'll get log y is equal to log of, what is this, log x whole power cos x. Dear students, we learn one property, log of a power n to the base e, right? Log of a power n to the base e. At this time, we have the property n times of log a to the base e, n times of log a to the base e. So here we cannot consider this property. Overall, whole power we have. But here what we can see, log of, this should be considered to be an a power n. Listen, log as it is, this log x will be a power n. How can we write? N times of log a. So in the next step, I'll write log y is equal to cos x into log of log x. Cos x into log of log x. It's clear. After that, easily we can differentiate. One would be the cos x derivative will be minus sin x. Another one will be log x, 1 by log of log x, composition function. In earlier classes, we done this type of derivative, right? Roughly, I will show then to log of log x. How to differentiate this one? First, I will feel this log. This log x I can consider as x. Then what would be the derivative of log x? Obviously, we are going to write like 1 by x. But our assumption x will be how much? That is log x into the second function derivative d divided by dx of, that is log x. How much that value? 1 divided by x into log x. This is our required result. So now we can apply here that rule. Look at here, there are product of two functions we can see. Product of two functions. How to differentiate product of two function? Differentiate with respect to x. Then this side we write d divided by dx of log y. D divided by dx of, what do you have? That is cos x into log of log x. Understood here? Now, this left hand side derivative, that is log y derivative, would be 1 upon y, but y is different from x, so we write dy by dx equal to, tell me now this side, cos x into log of log x. So there are two functions will be there in product form, so we can apply the product rule. First function cos I will take at first, I'll keep as it is, into d divided by dx of, what is our second function? Log of log x, plus second function we write as it is log of log x into d divided by dx of, that would be cos x. Clear? After that, this 1 upon y dy by dx write as it is. This side will be cos x into, what is the derivative of log x? Log means 1 upon. That is how much? How much? Log x into, what is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. Two function composition will be there. First log 1 by log x, second log 1 by x, plus this log of log x I'll write as it is. What is the derivative of cos x? That is minus sin x. So because of minus sign, we take one bracket. Afterwards, this y I will shift on right hand side. Then it should be dy by dx is equal to y into, remaining everything you should enclose in bracket. That will be how much? Cos x upon, this is x into log x, plus into minus minus, it is sin x into, that would be how much? Log of log x. Now, last step would be, therefore, dy divided by dx is equal to, what is our assumption y? Equation number 1, that will be how much? Log x whole power cos x. Whole power cos x. Inside the bracket, it is cos x divided by x times of log x plus minus sign we have, it would be minus sin x into log of log x. So by applying log on both the side, these many steps we can face it. Please note it. Whenever they will ask by applying the logarithm, then we can solve by this way. Please note it. Now, in another way, I will solve the same problem. Y is equal to log x whole power cos x. I'll solve in different way. Different way means, already we have the formula dy divided by dx means u power v. D divided by dx of u power v is nothing that outside as it is u power v. Inside the bracket, this power divided by base into d divided by dx of base, then log of the base into d divided by dx of power. I repeat, u power v divided by u, power by base into derivative of base plus log of base into derivative of v. In earlier classes, I have proved this formula also. When we should apply this formula, one function ratio another function. Now we can differentiate easily according to this formula. How can we write? Dy divided by dx is equal to d divided by dx of log x whole power, it is cos x. Now applying in that formula, what is that? Outside as it is, that is log x whole power cos x. Log x whole power cos x. Inside the bracket, power by base. What is that power by base? That will be cos x by log x into d divided by dx of base function, that is log x, plus, and this side log of the base function cos x. A base function will be log x, right? Log of log x, that is log x into d divided by dx of power function will be how much? Cos x. Just I have arranged in that formula. In that next step, I'll get my answer only, right? That is, therefore, dy divided by dx is equal to, outside log x whole power cos x as it is, log x whole power cos x, inside the bracket, cos by log, that is cos x divided by log x into derivative of log x is how much? 1 upon x. So we write like 1 divided by x, plus this will be how much? Log of log x, log of log x. Derivative of cos x will be minus sin x. Close the bracket. The last step, log x whole power cos x, and this side cos x divided by x times of log x, plus into minus minus sin x into log of, it would be log x. I hope you understood. And according to me, this method will be very useful as just substituting in that formula derivative in that next step and finalizing in that last step. So only in 3 steps we can finalize our answer. While solving the problem, just you write side at formula, but every time no need to write all no need to write. And in examination also no need to write. If you need, just you can write the formula. So one step, second step, third step. In third step, we can finalize our answer. Clear? I hope you understood what would be the difference between by applying log and by applying the formula. Both are will be same, but here will reduce the time. Okay. According to me, whenever you will get it the formula of problems like that, better you should go by this way only. Clear? Particularly if they mention by applying the logarithm method, then we can think about that. Otherwise, you should go by this way. Look at, by that way also I have done these many steps here by applying log, arranging in that form, and applying u into v rule and differentiate, then you can finalize your answer. These many steps will be there, right? Next we should go for the question number 4. What is that question number 4? Question number 4 also I can consider let y is equal to x power x minus 2 power sine x. X power x minus 2 power sine x. Okay. Now, first I'll solve by a shortcut way, that is by applying the formula differentiate with respect to x, because we need dy by dx. Clear? Now it becomes an dy by dx on left hand side. Right hand side, just we write d by dx of the function x power x minus 2 power sine x. Dear student, we have two exponential function. Two exponential function between relationship, what we can observe? Minus sign. So u minus v form we can consider. I repeat, u plus v, u minus v, u into v, u divided by v, u power v. Among these 5 forms, I have u minus v. So let us take that form. That is d divided by dx of x minus d divided by dx of 2 power sine x. Here x power x will be there. While differentiating x power x, I can feel that in which form this function, this function is of the form u power v, because base is function, power is also function. Both side we have the variable, so we can differentiate. How to differentiate that? According to that formula, outside the bracket as it is, inside the bracket power divided by base into d divided by dx of base function plus log of base function, base will be x, into d divided by dx of the power function is also x, minus, and this side 2 power sine x. No need to apply this formula, because we have direct formula, that is d divided by dx of a power x is how much? That is a power x into log 2, log a. So that formula we can write here. A power x means 2 power sin x, and log a, that is how much? Log 2 into, but here x is not there, just you observe here x is not there. This is of the form of a power f of x. Then what is the derivative of a power f of x? A power f of x into log a into, it would be f dash of x. So that function derivative also required for us. So I can write here d divided by dx of sine x. Next step. The next step would be just a derivative inside the bracket, one for power and one for base. Now that is dy divided by dx is equal to, outside the bracket x power x, inside the bracket x and x cancel, dx divided by dx also cancel, that is 1, and plus this is log x, and derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1. No need to write here. And this side it is sine x. Okay, and this side minus, how much this value will be? log 2 cos x 2 power sin x. First we write 2 power sin x into, that is log 2 into derivative of sin x will be cos x. So this is our required result. Just to observe the steps, and in very short way we have completed. In mind also we can identify in competitive. Outside as it is, power by base, derivative of base will be 1. Okay, it becomes on 1. And log of the base log x, derivative of x is 1. So finally x power x into 1 plus log x. Like this also we can determine our answer in competitive examination. No need to use pen also. Clear? If any further conversion, then obviously we can use our pen. Our straightforward answer means no need to use pen. I hope in case it will be helpful you much. Please follow this method. Clear? Next. Now the same problem. How to solve by applying the log? That is also very interesting. Let us see. If any higher level problems means it will be useful for you. Let us see about that. Let y is equal to x power x minus 2 power sin x. Dear student, डायरेक्टली वी कांट अप्लाई लॉग हियर, वो गलती नहीं करने का इधर. क्यों बोले तो u माइनस वी फॉर्म है हमारे पास. लॉग ऑफ u इंटू वी है, u प्लस वी, u बाई वी है, u पावर v का फॉर्मूला है, मगर u माइनस वी का फॉर्मूला नहीं है हमारे पास. इसलिए क्या करेंगे हम, दूसरे तरीके से ढूंढ लेंगे वैल्यूज को. सो वी हैव टू अज्यूम x पावर x विल बी u, x power x will be u minus 2 power sin x will be v. This is our equation number 1. Now at side, otherwise we have to differentiate to this one. Dy divided by dx is equal to du divided by dx minus dv divided by dx. This is equation number 2. Now dy by dx I have written. I need du by dx as well as dv by dx. Now, do you understood how to differentiate? Separately, you can take and differentiate. Get ready the answer. I also 2 power sin x you can take as dv v, and their derivative also you should find like dv by dx. After getting both the answer, resubstitute. समझ में आया बच्चों? इधर log अप्लाई करना रहे तो हमारे को u माइनस वी में ऐसा लिख लो. पहला फंक्शन को u मानेंगे, दूसरा फंक्शन को v. डिफरेंशिएट करने के बाद हमारे पास ये मिलेगा du by dx माइनस dv by dx. ये u को सेपरेट लेके du by dx ढूंढ लो. How to find the u one function ratio another function? Now itself I have shown in 2 ways. According to that way you can get it, and later you should go for this one. Right? Understood? Now I'll go by that way. First I will take u is equal to x power x. I told you I'm going to solve by applying the log on both these sides. So now taking log on both these sides, it should be log u is equal to log of x power x. This log u, write as it is, log of x power x, log of a power n. Log of a power n would be n times of log a. That formula I have applied. Now easily we can differentiate with respect to x. Then what we can write this one? This one will be d divided by dx of log u. D divided by dx of log u equal to d divided by dx of x times of log x. It's clear. Then log u derivative is how much? 1 divided by u with the du by dx, because u is different from x. And how to differentiate x log x? Total 2 functions we have. Product of 2 function. X will be algebraic, log will be logarithmic function. 2 function product means product rule we can take it. First function I'll write x as it is, d divided by dx of log x plus this log x we write as it is, d divided by dx of x. Right? Next, 1 divided by u, du divided by dx equal to x. What is the derivative of log x? Obviously 1 divided by x. This log x keeping as it is, derivative of x with respect to x will be 1. Next, this x and x will cancel. Du divided by dx is equal to u shifting right hand side, u into what remains here 1, here log x. The final step of du by dx, that is du by dx, will be how much? U is nothing that x power x inside the bracket 1 plus log x. Close the bracket. Equation number 3. Just I got only u function derivative. Still I did not get the v function derivative. Let us see about that v function derivative. What is v function derivative? V is equal to 2 power sine x. Here no need to take log on both of these sides. Directly also we can do. Then too I will solve by applying the log, right? That is log v is equal to log 2, log of 2 power sine x, it is log of 2 power sine x, that would be sine x. Hence it is log v is equal to sine x into log 2. Differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. This side what did you get? That is nothing that d divided by dx of log v, and this side d divided by dx of log 2 into sine x, log 2 into sine x. Now log v derivative will be 1 by v with a dv divided by dx, and dx of sine x. Only for a function we have to differentiate. No need to take u into v rule here. Now dv divided by dx is equal to v times of, this is log 2 into what is the derivative of sine x, that is cos x. So I can write here cos x. Then final step, dv divided by dx is equal to, what is v value? V is nothing that how much we assumed, 2 power, that is sine x, and into log 2 into cos x. This is our required result. Just I got u as well as v. Our final requirements will be dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Du by dx minus dv divided by dx. What is our du by dx? Du by dx will be how much? Here in previous step, that is how much? Here we have x power x into 1 plus log x. There we have. So that result will be how much? X power x inside the bracket 1 plus log x minus, this will be 2 power sine x into log 2 into cos x. So this is our required result, and I hope you understood how much lengthy this method, why we should go by this way. However, we have direct formula u power v, directly we can operate by that way. Okay, according to my suggestion, you should go by u power v only. In further problem, I will solve it by u power v only by applying that. And some 2 to 3 problems I have shown by applying log also. But I will suggest you, while practicing at first time, you should solve by 2 ways also, log method and u power v method. Both method you should thorough it. In examination, we should rule according to the restrictions of that question, right? Next question will be fifth one. That fifth one will be little bit different. Here there are two chances we have. One would be applying log on both of these side. Another one method we have yesterday, like u into v into w rule we can apply. In first problem I have shown cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. A similar way we can take it. But here we are in logarithmic chapter, problems we have to solve by log method only. Basic method already we know that. First two function make it silent, differentiate for next function, plus next two function make it silent, differentiate for another function, plus and another two function we should make it silent, differentiate for remaining function. This rule we know that. Now we should learn by logarithmic method. Okay, how to differentiate it? Let us consider y is equal to x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole power 4. Differentiate with respect to x. Now, sorry, we are going to solve by logarithmic method, not by direct method. So compulsory we can take log on both these sides. Taking log on both the side. Clear? This side I'll write log y equal to log of x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole power 4. Understood? Now, this log y write as it is. Log of m and p. Log of m and p. Log of mn means log m plus log n. Log of m and p means log m plus log n plus log p. Like that we can apply our rule. Log of x plus 3 whole square plus log of x plus 4 whole cube plus log of x plus 5 whole power 4. Understood? Just according to the logarithm. Now, this log y write as it is. Log of a power n is how much? 2 times of log of x plus 3, 3 times of log of x plus 4, 4 times of log of x plus 5. It's clear. Now we should differentiate with respect to x. It becomes an d divided by dx of log y. 2 is a scalar, take it out. D divided by dx of log of x plus 3 and 3 take it out. D divided by dx of log of x plus 4 plus 4 taken out scalar d divided by dx of log of x plus 5. Roughly I will show one function derivative, remaining also we can proceed in that way. Look at here, d divided by dx of log of x plus 3. How to differentiate this one? This is of the form d divided by dx of log of f of x, that is 1 divided by f of x into f dash of x. It's right. So that log derivative would be 1 divided by x plus 3 into d divided by dx of this x plus 3. How to differentiate? 1 divided by x plus 3 keeping as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. This constant derivative is 0. Finally, we are getting 1 divided by x plus 3. Apply to remaining functions also, we'll get it in that same pattern. So now we should differentiate. How much is there? This value, tell me now. That is d divided by dx of log y is 1 divided by y with dy by dx equal to keep as it is. What is the derivative of log of x plus 3? 1 divided by x plus 3 into x derivative is 1, constant derivative is 0. Roughly I have shown the same thing I have written here. Next, apply to the next function, that is plus 3 into derivative of log of something 1 divided by something. That something derivative, x derivative would be 1, constant derivative will be 0 plus this 4 write as it is into derivative of log is 1 by form 1 divided by x plus 5 and x derivative is 1, constant derivative is 0. Now basic simplification will start from here. This dy divided by dx is equal to shifting y on right hand side. Remaining everything we have to enclose in one bracket. 2 into 1 will be 2 divided by x plus 3. Clear? Next, plus 3 ones are 3 divided by x plus 4. And next, this side will be 4 ones are 4 divided by x plus 5. Dear students, what is our actual y? dy divided by dx is equal to y means how much is that? X plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 whole power 4 into inside the bracket 2 upon x plus 3, 3 upon x plus 4 plus 4 upon x plus 5. This is our finalized answer. No need to take an LCM. If you wish, you can take an LCM and simplify it. Okay. In theory part, it's enough. In competitive, how option will be there, like that we have to finalize our answer. समझ में आया बच्चों? वेरी इजी तरीके से सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ मैं. ये तो बहुत ही लंबा हो है. Easy means in another way also we can try to solve by applying product rule also. Both method will be in front of you. You can apply any one way. But here this problem I have solved by one method, applying the log method. Product rule method already you thorough, so that's why I'm not going to solve that one. Then two requirements, just follow the first problem of this exercise, how I solved. The same pattern you should apply to this question number 5 also, right? Next question. The next question will be, looks like a complicated. Looks like a complicated means how to take that one. First, one by one, we should learn, then directly we should go for the problem. Let us see about that. First, I will focus this x plus 1 by x derivative. What it should be? X derivative will be how much? 1. And 1 divided by x derivative will be how much? Minus 1 divided by x square. बहुत ही आसानी हुआ ना. x का डेरिवेटिव तो 1, 1 बाय एक्स डेरिवेटिव कितना होगा? माइनस 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर. ये दो चीज हमारे को पता रहे तो आगे का सॉल्यूशन इजी से हम सीखेंगे, बहुत ही इजी हो जाएगा, राइट? At a time, if you observe this problem, is it will get we will scared about this problem because of that u power v and something they have given. No need to scare about this problem. Easily we can solve it. Let us start. Okay. Let us consider y is equal to x plus 1 upon x whole power x power 1 plus 1 divided by x. First, I'll differentiate. I'll not take logarithm method. It's so lengthy. So, differentiate with respect to x. dy divided by dx is equal to u plus v form we have. U plus v means separately we can write d divided by dx of x plus 1 upon x whole power x. Clear? Plus d divided by dx of x power x plus 1 upon x. Now, at first I got two exponential functions between plus sign. Two exponential functions are separated by plus sign. So, that form we can consider like u plus v form. That's why du plus dv form I have written. सोच लो अब आगे का क्या करना. I hope you understood. Now you are trying to solve also. Yes, very good. And let us take this is of the form of u power v. According to u power v, we can continue. Now, u power v means the first suggestion will be neatly. We have to arrange in that form, in that standard form. What is that standard form? Outside as it is x plus 1 divided by x होल पावर एक्स. कुछ भी गलती नहीं करने का, इधर सब्स्टिट्यूशन तो करे तो एक मार्क्स तो मिलेगा हमारे को, राइट? इधर पावर जो कितना है एक्स, जो बेस कितना है एक्स प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स इनटू क्या होगा उधर d divided by dx of the base function in that formula. What is that? X plus 1 upon x. Understood here? प्लस आगे क्या है log ऑफ द बेस फंक्शन. बेस जो कितना है हमारे पास x प्लस 1 अपॉन x. सो log ऑफ बेस फंक्शन x प्लस 1 बाय x. बाद में क्या है पावर का डेरिवेटिव. पावर का डेरिवेटिव तो कितना है d डिवाइडेड बाय dx ऑफ द पावर x. ये एक का हुआ प्लस इसका साइड पे इसको करना डेरिवेटिव. इसको भी ऐसे ही फॉर्म में लगाएंगे. कैसे? बाहर तो ये as it is लिखेंगे x पावर 1 upon x. तो inside the bracket क्या लिखेंगे? Power by base. What is power? Power will be x plus 1 divided by x by base will be x into d divided by dx of base function. That is how much? X plus log of the base function into d divided by dx of the power function. Power is how much? Actually 1 plus is there. I have written here x. That's wrong. Just a minute. This will be 1 it is. Clear? Now we should make it 1 here to where it is here to 1. Here to 1. It's clear everything? Right. There is a smaller. Okay. Here also 1 we write it. Now balance it. Once you check it, base, power, power by base, derivative of base, log of base, derivative of power. Here x power 1 plus 1 by x we have. That galti mai kare. X power 1 divided by x. X power, this is 1 plus 1 by x. Derivative also 1 plus 1 by x. Now it will be correct. Now tell me the derivative of this one. This x plus 1 divided by x whole power x I'll write as it is. X keeping as it is, taking an LCM here, how much will get? X into x, x square plus 1 upon x will get into inside the bracket derivative x का derivative 1, 1 by x का derivative minus 1 divided by x square. ये चीज तो हमारे को पता है पहले in first exercise itself we have learned that is 1 by x derivative would be minus 1 by x square, and this side log of x plus 1 upon x, derivative of x will be 1. Close this bracket at first, and secondly x power 1 plus 1 upon x, write it as it is, and taking an LCM, x1 is x plus 1 divided by x square we will get it, and derivative of x will be 1, and plus this log x write as it is, inside the bracket derivative of 1 is 0 because of constant, and 1 by x derivative will be minus 1 by x square. I have approached to one main step. Next, some basic simplification, and we have to finalize our answer. How to arrange it? Outside the bracket write as it is, x plus 1 upon x whole power x. Inside the bracket, this x if I shifted means what we will get it? That is x square divided by x square plus 1, and inside the bracket take it an LCM, x square 1 is x square, this is x square 1 is x square minus 1 divided by x square. This simplification. Next, middle will be what we have, that is plus sign. How much it is? Plus that value will be how much? Log of. If you wish, you can take an LCM here also. How much it will be? X square plus 1 divided by x, close bracket. And inside this side plus how much it will be? X power 1 plus 1 upon x inside the bracket. Here also 1 by x square, here also 1 by x square. So taking LCM as x square, what remains here? That is x plus 1 minus log x divided by it is an x square. The final answer goes to this x square and x square cancel. So x plus 1 divided by x whole power x, and inside the bracket x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus log of x square plus 1 divided by x, close the bracket. And here applying the second law of exponent, how much it is? X plus 1 by x divided by x square means how to write it? X power 1 plus 1 by x minus 2. It would be how much? X power 1 divided by x minus 1, like that. So that answer I'll write directly here. This sign, this simplification, how much it is? Plus x power 1 upon x minus 1, and inside the bracket x plus 1 minus log x. This is our required final answer. By applying the u power v rule only, these many steps we got. Think it, by applying logarithmic method, how many steps it take. Okay, let us see about this problem. Just note it. This is one more standard question. and some remaining questions will continue in the next session, and some 2 to 3 problems I'll give you today assignment also according to this kind. Okay, nice to meet you. We'll continue tomorrow.